The last class we learnt about the continuation of classification of carbohydrates. This is disaccharides. Disaccharide is composed of two sugar unit connected by a glycosidic linkage. It means two glucose unit is present. That two glucose is bond with a one oxygen atom. Okay, there are two types are present in disaccharide. It is reducing sugar and non-reducing sugar. The example for reducing sugar is lactose, maltose. For non-reducing sugar is sucrose. This sucrose, which on hydrolysis it gives a one molecule of alpha D glucose and one molecule of beta D fructose. Okay. Next, third one is oligosaccharides. It is composed of 3 to 10 sugar unit. The example is ramenose and raffinose. Okay. Next is last type, polysaccharides. It is composed of more than 10 sugar unit. It has a two types of polysaccharides. That is, first one is homopolysaccharides. It means same sugar unit is present. Example is starch and glycogen. For heteropolysaccharides, it is different sugar unit. That is, example is agar, agarose. Next, we will move on to the reducing sugar. Reducing sugar means which possesses a free aldehydic or a free ketonic functional groups. Okay, all monosaccharides are reducing in nature. For example, glucose, mannose, galactose, etc. Next is non-reducing sugar. Non-reducing sugar is carbohydrates which do not possess free aldehydic or ketonic group. It means reverse of reducing sugar. Example is sucrose. The polysaccharides are non-reducing in nature. Example is cellulose, starch, glycogen, etc. Next is monosaccharide. Glucose. Mainly the example for monosaccharide is glucose. It is the most commonly monosaccharide present in all plants and animals, and also fruits contain glucose. Mainly grape contains glucose, so it is called as a grape sugar, and it is dextrorotatory. Glucose is dextrorotatory, so it is called as a dextrose. And in our human blood, it has a 65 to 135 milligram of glucose per 100 ml of blood. Okay, and it is obtained by the hydrolysis of starch or by the hydrolysis of sucrose. Next is very important, reactions of glucose. Okay, first one is with hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine means NH2OH. Here this H2O is removed, NOH is replaced in the place of oxygen. Okay, this is D-glucose, this is D-glucose oxime. This is next. Second one is reaction with hydrogen cyanide. Here in the place of H, CN is substituted. In the place of O, H is substituted and one of H is substituted at carbon atom. So it is called as a D-glucose cyanohydrin. Okay, so then here you have to know about that the functional group where it is present, that carbon atom undergoes reaction. Okay, not all the carbon atom undergoes reaction. When the functional groups attached at which carbon atom, that carbon atom undergoes reaction. Okay, next in this class we will continue the reactions with glucose. Okay, next one is with phenyl hydrazine. Third one is with phenyl hydrazine. Okay, phenyl hydrazine is the molecular formula of phenyl hydrazine is C6H5NH2. Okay, and here the glucose, C double bond O H, C OH H, C H OH, C OH H, C OH, H, CH2, OH. Okay, this is D-glucose, you know that, and plus phenyl hydrazine, C6H5NH, NH2. Okay, this remole of water molecule. Okay, water molecule is removed. It means the oxygen atom from the glucose and hydrogen atoms from the phenyl hydrazine. So in the place of oxygen, this group is substituted with carbon atom. Here C double bond N, NH, C6H5. Okay, this is, and this is H, then C, OH, H, C, H, OH, OH. Here in the writing of structure of glucose, you have to mainly observe where the OH group is present, either it is left or right. You have to know about that. One is aldehyde group, there is no difference. Okay, next second carbon atom, right side the OH group. Here second carbon atom, OH group is present on the right side. Next third, H is present on the right side, OH is left side. Then last two, fourth and fifth are OH is present at the right side. Next CH2 OH. Okay, next this is the D-glucose, D-glucose phenyl hydrazone, phenyl hydrazone. Okay, this is the reaction with phenyl hydrazine. Next is reaction with, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, fourth one, reaction with bromine water. Okay, fourth one is reaction with glucose is react with bromine water. Here bromine water acts like a oxidizing agent. Okay, bromine water, it is a oxidizing agent. Okay, this is oxidizing agent, and in that the gluconic acid is formed. It means the oxygen should be added here. Okay, oxidation ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Here bromine water that should be react with D-glucose, it forms a, in the place of aldehyde group, COOH group is present. Here you have to see here COOH, it means CHO is there. In that one of the oxygen is added to the aldehyde group, so it gets a carboxylic acid group. Okay, then you have to write a rest of the carbon atoms, C, H, OH, C, OH, H. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು OH ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you lose the marks. Okay, CH2OH, and this is the gluconic acid. Okay, next fifth one is with concentrated HNO3. Okay, reacts with concentrated HNO3, and concentrated HNO3, it is also a strong oxidizing agent. It is a strong oxidizing agent. Okay, strong oxidizing agent means addition of oxygen. Okay, here you have to observe this, C double bond O, H, C, OH, H, C, H, OH, C, OH, C, OH, H, H, CH2, OH. Okay, this will glucose reacts with concentrated HNO3, okay, oxidizing agent, 3 moles of oxidizing agent is added here. How many moles of oxygen is present? 3 moles of oxygen is added. Then COOH, this aldehyde group is converted to COOH and CH2OH is converted to COOH, okay. So then here CHOH4, here I am writing CHOH4 because it has a CHOH, 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 CHOH. It has a 4 atoms, okay. So that's why here I am writing 4. This is also right. And then COOH is present, okay. It means removal of water molecule. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, water molecule remove ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, okay. Minus H2O, it removes the water molecule. So then saccharic acid, the name of the compound is saccharic acid. This is all about the reaction with the concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid, when nascent oxygen is added to this carbon atom and last carbon atom, and in the last carbon atom H2O is removed. Do you get it? H2O is removed. 2 moles, 1 mole of oxygen atom is added here, 2 moles of oxygen atom is added. So this H2O molecule is removed and it forms the saccharic acid, okay. Next reaction is 6th one, reaction with hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide or red phosphorus, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. It is a both are reducing agent, strong reducing agent, okay. In that the hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus or a red phosphorus reacts with the D-glucose. It forms a hydrocarbons, okay. It means it forms a ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent means it removes the oxygen atoms, it adds the hydrogen atoms, addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen, okay. So then the oxygen atom is removed from the glucose, then the formation of hydrocarbons, okay. Here you have to observe that C double bond O H CHOH 4, then CH2OH, okay. It is react with hydrogen iodide, red phosphorus and the formation of N-hexane. N-hexane means what? Linear chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. CH3, this is the formation of N-hexane plus iodohexane also, CH3 CHI CH2 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 CH3, okay. This is 2, it means 2 iodohexane. It means in the place of carbon 2 the iodine atom is attached, so it gets a 2 iodohexane, okay. This is all about the reaction with hydrogen iodide or red phosphorus. It is a very strong reducing agent and it forms the N-hexane and a 2 iodohexane because in the place of carbon 2 the iodine is attached, so it is called it as a 2 iodohexane, okay. Next 7th one is with methanol or dry HCl. ಮೆಥನಾಲ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ರೈ HClನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ formation of compound is there. Here CHO, COH, H, CHOH, COH, H, COH, H, CH2, OH. Okay, this is then methanol means CH3OH or dry HCl. CH3OH dry HCl. Here methyl alpha D glucose or a methyl beta D glucose is formed. It means what is methyl and alpha D glucose? Glucose not the formation of glucose, it is glucoside. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡಿ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೀಟಾ ಡಿ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅದು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಮತ್ತು ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಯರ್ COCH3 H, COH H, sorry, this is H. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. COH. Here in the fifth carbon atom, the fifth carbon atom of oxygen atom is bonded with first carbon atom. Okay, here you have to see, here this is the oxygen atom, fifth carbon atom. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಮು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ CH2OH. ಹಿಯರ್ OCH3 should be present on the right side, so it is called it as a alpha. CH3 means methyl group, methyl alpha D glucoside. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ OCH3 ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ OCH3 is present on the what, left side, it means CH, OCH3, COH H, CH OH, COH H, C, and here also this will be formed H, CH2OH. Here OCH3 is present on the left side, so it is methyl beta D glucoside. Okay, this is all about the reaction with methanol or a dry HCl. Two possibilities are there. One is methyl alpha D glucoside and another one is methyl beta D glucoside. Okay, next eighth one is with acetic anhydride. With acetic anhydride, the molecular formula of acetic anhydride is CH3 C double bond O twice O. Okay, this is the molecular formula, and here in that you have to observe that there will be no reacted with aldehyde group. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ aldehyde ಗ್ರೂಪು ಅಸಿಟಿಕ್ ಅನಹೈಡ್ರೈಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ್ groups are react with acetic anhydride. Here you have to observe this CHO, COH H, CH OH, COH H, OH, H, CH2, OH. This alpha D glucose reacts with acetic anhydride DO twice. Here CHO same as it is present, but in the other these four groups CO, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, this will be the formation of 4 atoms and CH2 O, C double bond O, CH3. It means in the replace of H2O. Okay, here H2O is removed, here also H2O is removed, here also, here. Okay, H2O is removed and in the place of OHH, HOH place ಅಲ್ಲಿ O, C double bond O, CH3 ಬಂದು substitute ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So this is called it as a D-glucose pentaacetate. This is the acetate group. CH3COO group is the acetate group. How many groups are there? Here CH3. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is called it as a pentaacetate plus 5 moles of acetic acid. 5 moles of acetic acid. This is the reaction with acetic anhydride. Carefully you have to observe. CHO should be same as here. These 4 and including this carbon atom also. This HOH is removed by O, C double bond O, CH3, and here OH is removed by 2, 3. Okay. But here, here H is also present. Okay, H is also present. Sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. H ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It only removal of OH groups. Okay, removal of OH groups. Okay, here also OH group is removed, here also, this one. In the place of OH groups, O, C double bond O, CH3. CH3COO group is called it as acetate group. There are 5 acetate group is present. So it is D-glucose pentaacetate and plus 5 moles of acetic acid is formed. Okay, sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. CH ಬರಬೇಕು ಕಣ್ರಪ್ಪ. Then last one is reduction reaction. Okay, here CHO glucose reduction means addition of hydrogen. Okay, CHO, C, OH, H, 4, CH2, OH, catalytic hydrogenation will be taking place. Okay, here hydrogenation is formed, so then CH2OH, it means H2 molecule is added here for this group. CH2OH is formed, so then COH, H, 4, CH2OH. This is called it as a sorbitol. Okay, this is all about the reactions with glucose. With reaction with phenyl hydrazine, C6H5NH, NH2. In the place of oxygen, this C6H5NH, N should be substituted. H2O is removed, so it forms a D-glucose phenyl hydrazone. And then reaction with bromine water. When it is reacted with bromine water is a strong reduced oxidizing agent, so addition of oxygen it forms, so it is a gluconic acid. Next is with concentrated HNO3. HNO3, it is also a strong oxidizing agent, so it is COOH group, and here also COOH is formed. It means 3 moles of oxygen is added, removal of water molecule, that is called it as a saccharic acid. Next one is reaction with hydrogen iodide or a red phosphorus. This will be the strong reducing agent. Here removal of oxygen, when it is reacts with hydrogen iodide or red phosphorus, NXN and 2-iodoxN is formed. 2-iodoxN is in the place of second carbon atom, iodine is attached. Next is with methanol or dry HCl. It is reacts with methanol. Two possibilities of compound is formed. One is alpha D glucoside, another one is beta D glucoside. This OCH3 is present in right side, this will be present in left side. Next is acetic anhydride, CH3 CO twice, O, removal of OH groups, CH will be remains. Okay, 5 moles of acetate group is attached, so it is called it as a D-glucose pentaacetate. Last one is reduction reaction. Reduction reaction means addition of hydrogen. Hydrogenation, H2 molecule is added for this aldehyde group, so it is called it as a sorbitol.